Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if your PS4 controller isn't turning on but still charging, don't worry, this is a common issue, and in today's video I'm going to show you a few simple fixes to get your controller working again. Right, so firstly let's make sure your USB cable and the charging port are working properly. Try using a different USB cable or plug it into a different USB port on your PS4 or PC. Sometimes a faulty cable or port can charge the controller but prevent it from turning on. Okay, and the step number 2 will be a hard reset on the back of your controller. There's a small reset button next to the L2 shoulder button. Okay guys, so grab your controller and hopefully you can see it on the camera. As you can see, this is L2 and there will be this hole on the back. And you just take a needle, or you can take this thing, which is very comfortable to use for this purpose. Is just a SIM ejecting tool, sort of. As you can see, it's just made out of metal. So you just take it and you just insert it in the back, in that hole, and just press and hold for a few seconds, maybe like 5 seconds, and you will have a full hardware reset of your controller. So this is going to be the second step. So if the controller is still charging but not turning on, the battery might be faulty. Unfortunately, this is a more serious issue and you might need to replace the internal battery. If you're comfortable with it, you can open the controller, but make sure you have the right tools. Or consider reaching out to a professional repair service. Lastly, if you have access to another PS4 or maybe a PS5, try connecting the controller to that one. This can help you determine whether the issue lies with the controller or your PS4 console itself. And there you go, those are the best steps to take when your PS4 controller is charging but won't turn on. But guys, in general, hopefully these fixes that I've listed will help you out. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you soon.